Hi, I'm Peter Haddock. I'm here with Spencer at Hexagon live from HGC. You're a senior estimator, Spencer. Been using AGTEK for some time, and thanks for spending some time with me here today. Tell me a little bit about the product, because you've said you could probably sell it for them.
Yes, love AGTEK. It gives us the ability to calculate earth dirt that we're moving on the job. We can track it real time with drone technology. We can also use underground utilities in there to calculate the depths of the pipe, figure out our spoils and material two-dimensional takeoff. So it can really do a top to bottom takeoff.
What's interesting there, you said straight away, you're using drones.
Yes.
That's really exciting because you're using the drones, obviously regularly scanning, then putting that data into AGTEK.
Yeah.
So as you're going through a project, you can see your as-built project, I guess.
Yeah, 100%. So we fly the sites, we take the data, point cloud maps, stick it into AGTEK. Essentially, it can contour it for you and create a surface. And then we can compare those surfaces to previous flights and see how much dirt we moved in between, or compare it to the final design and see how much dirt is left to be moved.
And that's great because obviously you're able to then show your customer that this is the progress we're making.
Correct.
How impactful has that been for your customers now?
Oh, it's super impactful financially and for their schedule. Basically what it allows us to do with that real-time tracking when we're able to compare them is we're able to know where to adjust the grades on the site to properly balance the site so we're not importing or exporting dirt off and on the job, right?
Yeah, so as you go and you're digging down and you're discovering things, you might have voids, you might have thought you'd need more material, less material. Doing that on that sort of scale for the job allows you to just make those changes week to week or even day to day, I guess.
Yeah, correct, 100%. Basically, we can run the software AGTEK with our drone data very quickly. So it's basically however fast we can fly the site is just as quick as we can run the data. So you can do it very quickly.
That's incredible.
It's
so
awesome.
So how is it then helping you win work, and how is it helping you be profitable?
So that could be a really complicated question. So we're going to keep it simple for this, right? So dirt simple solutions, that's AGTEK's motto, and we love it. It allows us very quickly, we can import CAD data in, so civil engineers already designed it. We can have an existing surface, then import a design surface. It allows us to calculate the volume of dirt. We can put a price tag on that to keep it simple and send it out the door essentially. It also allows us to, one great feature of AGTEK is it allows us to analyze soil types with strata layers. And by that, we can identify soils that we would deem unsuitable material or even rock. And then now we know, hey, there's this much rock, there's this much unsuitable material on the job. What do we do with that? How do we manage that? How do we price that? How does that affect the job and the schedule? And so we can make all those decisions in AGTEK.
And what's really interesting about that is we're seeing now a lot of brownfield sites coming up, a lot of demolition, and sometimes it's contaminated soils and stuff you're talking about there, and that has got a different cost, and it has to be treated or taken away from sites.
That's a great point. 100%. So we can actually utilize those strata layers that I mentioned previously to identify, hey, this is material that has to go to a brownfield landfill, or this is the material that can stay on site, and so we can do all of that. All in AGTEK, 100%. We love it.
And so when you've got your models and your things like that, you're obviously sending your models to the machines as well from AGTEK into the machines to do the job and things like that as well.
Yes, sometimes we do. Yes, for sure.
But we're using machine control. So when we talk about AGTEK, you also talk about the user groups. You've been here for one of the user groups and suggesting what they can do to make even more improvements. And that's a real key point for you guys, isn't it?
Yes, we actually really value the relationship that AGTEK has with us and listening to our opinions in the program. Where are our pain points at? How do they overlap with other people in the industry's pain points? Because a lot of us suffer from common problems, right? And we want to solve those together as a team. So AGTEK's been very open throughout this whole process, listening to us, and then they actually implement a lot of the things that we talk about. They try to work on them with us and keep us up to date. So
fantastic. So it's great to hear about how you're doing things. Really exciting to see and hear that drone flight to then the mapping is done in such a quick time that it's helping you visualize the projects for not just yourself but your clients as well. 100% brilliant. Look, it's fantastic to meet you here today.
It's nice meeting you as well.
Keep up the good work and keep flying and creating those models.
We appreciate it.
Brilliant to meet you. Cheers.
Yeah, thank you.